Hi everyone, in today's video we will see how to fix the Onn Roku TV horizontal lines on screen, display and cable fix guide. The fix one, perform a hardware power reset. Turn off the TV and unplug the power cord from the wall outlet. Now press and hold the physical power button on the TV, not the remote, for 30 seconds. Now leave the TV unplugged for 10 minutes and plug the TV directly into a wall outlet instead of a surge protector or extension cord. Now turn the TV back on and check whether the horizontal lines are gone. Fix 2. Check whether the issue is the TV or an external device. So press the home button on your Roku remote to open the Roku home screen. Now check whether the horizontal lines are visible on the home screen. Lines are visible on the home screen. The issue is likely with the TV software or internal hardware. The lines only appear on the HDMI input, and disconnect the HDMI device clean and reconnect the HDMI cable. Try a different HDMI cable or connect the device to another HDMI port. The fix 3. Update the Roku TV software. So go to settings, then click on system. Now click on systems update. Now select check now and install any available updates. Then restart the TV after the update is complete. The fix 4. Factory reset the TV. So go to the settings, now click on system, now click on advanced system settings and then tap on factory reset and follow the on-screen instructions to reset the TV. Fix 5. Check for internal hardware problem. So perform the bezel tap test, turn the TV on, gently tap or apply light pressure along the plastic bezel near the area where the horizontal lines appear. Now watch the screen carefully. If the lines flicker, change color, move or temporarily disappear, the TV may have a loose internal ribbon, LVDS cable as failing display driver, COF chip, or a fault LCD panel. If the lines never change, the T-con board or the display panel may have failed and required professional repair or replacement. Goodbye and thanks for watching.